It's Mai and welcome to my kitchen in Tokyo. 皆さんこんにちは、Mai です。Today I want to talk about local grapes called shine muscats. From late summer to fall, local grapes are ready to harvest. So on today's episode, I want to use this distinctive muscats called shine muscats in my mochi recipe. 今日は旬のシャインマスカットを使ったシャインマスカット大福を作ってみたいと思います。Green seedless grapes are eaten straightly from the bunch, but in fact they are really good fillings stuffed in mochi because of the juicy sweetness and surprisingly good match with sweet mochi and white bean paste. Also, green muscats stuffed in mochi are visually appealing as well. So I'm so excited to share this seasonal mochi recipe. Let's get started. Let's start from the fillings. Let's measure out 30 grams of white bean paste and then let's make round balls. You can use store-bought white bean paste or you can make from scratch. If you want to know how to make shiroan white bean paste from scratch, please watch my YouTube on how to make shiroan. I put a link on my description. Let's press down the bean paste and flatten the bean paste. Take one piece of grape, place it on top of the bean paste, and let's wrap into a bean paste. As a preparation, let's spread out potato starch on a tray. If you have already tried making strawberry daifuku mochi, this will be your refresher. Let's refresh your memory. Now let's move on to mochi. Here is glutinous rice flour in my mixing bowl. Let's add sugar. And here is my water. I'm gonna add this water into 2 additions. First, let's add half from the cup. And let's dissolve sugar, rice flour, and remove crumbs. Now the paste is very smooth. I don't see any crumbs anymore, so I will add the rest of the water to my mixing bowl and let's mix well. And let's take a piece of plastic wrap. I'm gonna heat this in microwave and cook for 1 minute at 500 watts. You have to heat 2 times in microwave. So it's almost time. I will remove this plastic wrap and let's take a spatula. Let's keep mixing until the mochi is even. I will return this in microwave and heat for another 1 minute. So I cooked for another 1 minute. Now you can see my mochi is very sticky and chewy. So this is ready now. Let's take the potato starch that I prepared earlier, and I'm gonna place my mochi on the potato starch. Let's make into one portion. I will transfer my mochi onto the potato starch. Let's sprinkle potato starch on the mochi. So it's still very hot, so be careful when you spread out, but you need to spread out mochi when it is hot. And let's cut mochi into small pieces. Each mochi is about 30 grams. Now I'm gonna wrap the filling in my mochi. So let's expand mochi. Let's take the fillings that I prepared earlier and let's pull the edges and pinch. Use your potato starch when you seal your mochi. Once you sealed, round it and make a smooth round mochi. Ta-da! Green Muscat Daifuku mochi is complete. If you're not using white bean paste, that's totally fine. It works well with other fruits too. So this is the end of the class now. And if you find this video is useful and informative, please hit like button and subscribe my channel. And if you have any specific requests on menus, please leave some comments. I'd be happy to share my recipe. So thank you for watching Miss Wagashi TV. I hope to share more Japanese dishes and desserts recipe with you. So please stay tuned and see you in my next video. Bye bye!